Alright guys, check this out. These are, I got these at Costco. These are SUMM Sesame Ginger Gyoza dumplings. Yeah, so we're gonna try this out. This was on sale. Fully cooked. Family inspired recipe, it says. And that's that. Here's the side panel, here's the back. Okay, let's look at the nutrient content. So I want to read this, pause the video, and let's take a look at the ingredients. It's got chicken, cabbage, sesame oil, ginger, green onion, soy sauce. So it does contain soy, wheat, and sesame. So, all right, let's open this up. Check this out, guys. There it is. That's what they look like, and there's the sauce underneath. All right, so it's all done here. So it's all cooked up, and I'm just gonna lift one of these off. And this is the dipping sauce it goes with, so we're gonna do a quick taste test right there. Oops. I'm the only one eating it, so. The gyozas are, they're good, but you don't really taste like the ginger or anything like that in the filling itself. I'm trying to give you a good show of the filling here. The steam is blocking the camera, but it's like there's no real ginger like that you can taste in the thing. The ginger is more in the sauce. Other than that, it tastes like a regular gyoza almost. So maybe like a hint of it, but very, very subtle. And the sesame you don't really taste unless you're actually in the sauce. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please subscribe to the channel. They're still good.